Better biking with survival skills.
Our road rules tell us it's the responsibility of drivers to check it's clear before turning at a side road, so we tend to assume collisions must be the fault of those drivers. Legally that might be the case, but take a look at this junction coming up and see if the way we approach it could be a contributing factor. First, notice the road we're on. It's fast and flowing, but with tall hedges, vision blockers either side. Our lateral view is very poor, and our speed means little time to react to a sudden threat. So this sign warns us we're approaching a major junction. We can guess that it's busy. Notice the slow marking. The speed that feels right for the road here will be too fast in a moment. And notice the unusual yellow sign. Here's what it says in close-up. Now the speed limit is reduced to 50. The painted roundel sits in our eye line to ensure we see it. Another slow marking reminds us to lose speed. And then there's a second sign warning of the junction alongside a third slow marking. Notice how the hedge has been cleared and the grass is mown short. We get an early view of the car on the left, but has the driver of the car on the right seen us? With poor views and plenty of turning traffic, this definitely isn't a place to rush.